Hoezaay has just binged season 1 of Hanna on Amazon Prime Video and is inspired. His mission, which he's chosen to accept, is to train his daughter to be an assassin. It's a big bad world out there, and she needs to be ready. But before he begins her training, he will have to train himself. After failing to live up to his own expectations, as a proud Indian father, he will now force his dreams onto his children. To begin with, he creates a training-friendly environment for her. So what if she's only 4 years old? Her journey to badassery begins today. It's time. You're gonna be strong. So strong. He will motivate and push her to be better than she believed herself.
ऐसे गुंडों से पीछा छुड़वाओगे? Come on, this is for your biceps, quadriceps, triceps, subceps. Come on, 3 more. Attention.
He will try to communicate with her the necessity of this training.
देखो बेटा, I know you don't like all this, but this will be good for you in the long run only. बाहर की दुनिया में बीमारियां हैं, गुंडे हैं, and worst of all, boys. Hey Hannah, I mean Chloe, chocolate खाने से muscles नहीं बढ़ेंगे. You need green power. Come on, drink this vegetable juice.
I think you needed more, Dada.
Danger can come from anywhere at any moment, so he will train her to develop a sixth sense for danger.
Hi, Dada, I love you.
And sometimes you have to accept that maybe what you see in a scene should stay on a screen. It's much easier to watch Hanna season 2 than it is to turn your daughter into her.
You know none of this is real. They're training you to kill people.
Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to watch Hanna on Amazon Prime Video.